Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about coal and destructive distillation of coal. So what is coal? Coal is a fossil fuel which takes thousands or millions of years to form. Before 300 millions of years, the whole earth was covered with forest. But because of some natural calamities like volcanic eruption, flooding, tsunamis, this large mass of plants and animals got buried under the ground. As more soil decomposed over, as more soil get covered over them, they get compressed, and the temperature also rose as they go deeper. Temperature and pressure both the rose as they go deeper, and as coal contains the more amount of carbon, so the slow process of conversion of these dead remains of plants and animals to the coal or fossil fuel is known as carbonization. Now we were going to learn about destructive distillation of coal. So I had here drawn a diagram of destructive distillation of coal. So what happens in the destructive distillation of coal is, first, coke. Coke is a powder, and it is the compound which is it is any substance which is found with the destructive distillation of coal. When coal is heated, the coke is formed and it is in powder form. And this is the flame or burner. This is the stand, and this is the test tube in which this ammonical liquid is formed and the coal tar is formed. This is the boiling tube, and the coal gas is released out. These are the some products formed in destructive distillation of coal. So when the coal is heated, the coke is formed, and after heating, the vapor from this boiling tube goes from this straw into the another test tube, and here the coal gas is released by the another straw or pipe, and the liquid which is less dense is sits here, and it is the ammonical liquid or the ammonical compounds. Then the dark thick liquid that settles down is called as coal tar. Now we will see the uses of the products. So the first product which we get from the destructive distillation is coke, and the coke is formed as the residue during this process. It is the tough, porous and bract substance. Porous means the substance which have many small holes, like porous rocks we see in our surrounding. Like that it is formed, and it is one of the constituent which is mainly needed in the extraction of iron or steel in the blast furnace. Now we are going to see about the second product, that is the coal tar. Second product, coal tar. It is formed as a byproduct during this process. And it is the liquid substance which contains which contains the mixture of about 200 substances. Then the products obtained from this coal tar, after processing it in the companies, it is used for the starting materials for various things which we use in our daily life. It is used in industries for producing synthetic dyes, for perfumes, for explosives, and for many other things. And also the naphthalene balls which we use for repelling the moths are also made from this coal tar. And the last use is it is also used for metalling the roads. But nowadays the bitumen replaces this coal tar. Bitumen is a residue formed during the processing of petroleum. Now the third product is coal gas, and coal gas is obtained as the gaseous fraction during this process of fractional distillation of coal. And this gas mainly contains hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide, means symbolically H, CH4 and CO. Only CO, not CO2. CO2 will make carbon dioxide, it is carbon monoxide. Then this coal gas is also used as a fuel in many industries for running the vehicles or many other things. This coal gas is used. Now the next product formed is ammonical liquor or ammonical compounds. Means many compounds of ammonia are formed during this distillation, and we also hear the word ammonical fertilizers. So this ammonical liquor when mixed in water is also used for producing fertilizers like ammonium fertilizers, which are helpful for plants for fulfilling their demand. Then the next is when the coke, the first product, is manufactured or processed further, then some gaseous fuels are formed. Gaseous fuels are formed. The first is water gas. First is water gas and second is producer gas. And the chemical formula for this water gas is first the water gas. Water gas is formed when carbon reacts with water and carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is formed, while the producer gas is formed when carbon reacts with oxygen as well as nitrogen and carbon monoxide and nitrogen is formed. Nitrogen compound is formed. That is called as producer gas. So in this video we learnt about the uses of the compounds formed in destructive distillation of coal, what is coal, and destructive distillation of coal. Also we saw gaseous fuels and how they are formed, with which they are reacted. So thank you everyone.